So I'm going to go out for another little adventure into the woods, do a bit of penetration testing. I'm not convinced that the right hand circular polarized are actually much better. So we're going to do some more testing. I'm sure they are, but I'd like to see. Oh, it's a bit wet in here. We've had so much rain. We're going to have to go around the outside. Oh, that was a good start. It's completely flooded in there. It's July, but we've had so much rain, I can't get through. So we're going to have to go to a different place. Decided to change my footwear. Then I'll be able to get through. So for our penetration testing, we're going in there. Hopefully I can fly in there. It's getting a bit dark now, it's really gloomy, but we'll give it a go. So far so good. Got my little launch pad. We're going through there.